Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have Premiere open. Now import your clip and drop it on the timeline. Once done, switch to the color workspace so Lumetri is visible. This gives you direct access to exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows. Create and place an adjustment layer above clips if you want a non-destructive global change. Make sure scopes are visible. The waveform shows luminance. Now you're ready to make controlled brightness adjustments without guessing. Start with Lumetri's basic correction. Nudge exposure for an overall lift or drop, then tweak contrast to keep midtones punchy. Next, refine using highlights and shadows. Bring highlights down to recover bright detail, lift shadows to reveal shadow information. Use whites and blacks to set true end points while watching the waveform. Keep values from hitting full 100% clip. If needed, open the RGB curves and pull a gentle S-shape for perceived brightness. Once adjustments look right, toggle Lumetri on and off to compare before and after. Make small keyframes on exposure if brightness needs to change over time. You can use auto for a quick baseline, then refine manually. When satisfied, render playback to confirm. If you see blown highlights or crushed blacks, check the waveform. Reduce exposure or highlights and bring whites down slightly. That scope check is your go-to troubleshooting tip. It tells you if detail is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.